It's been 3.5 years that we've been working with DreamzTech. I can't say much about. I can't say how much I really appreciate what they've done for me. DreamzTech has made my dream come to life. They have been working day and night. The team itself, the company itself, always supportive, always finding innovative solutions, and really pushing the boundaries of technology and creating at such a pace that most of our competitors can't even believe where we came from and how we got here so fast. Everybody just wonders, but truth is, it's our team, and because of the work they do and the pace at what they do it is what gives us our competitive advantage, and that couldn't have been possible without DreamzTech. So cheers to them. Great company, amazing people, great ownership, and really stick to their word. And when things go bad, they'll always stand behind you and make it right, and support you through the hard times, which is the most important thing that you could ever ask in a partner. Thank you.